Hi, this is Steve Slavin with Coldwell Banker Real Estate Group. You know, some homes are built to blend in. This isn't one of them. If you've been waiting for another beige cookie cutter home, you can stop watching right now. But if you've ever dreamed of living somewhere with character, somewhere surrounded by mature trees, somewhere that feels more like a private retreat than a subdivision, keep watching. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice what makes this home different. Vaulted ceilings, walls of glass, natural light pouring into the living spaces, and a floor plan designed for people who appreciate architecture that's anything but ordinary. Over the years, the home has been beautifully updated with a stunning kitchen, renovated bathrooms, quality finishes, spaces that feel both warm and inviting. It's contemporary but comfortable, unique but incredibly livable. The setting may be my favorite part. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee surrounded by mature trees, entertaining friends on the deck, or simply coming home after a long day to a place that feels peaceful and tucked away. The truth is, this home isn't for everyone, but if you're someone who appreciates the thoughtful design, privacy, and a home with its own personality, it may be exactly what you've been searching for. I'd love the opportunity to show you around. I'm Steve Slavin with Coldwell Banker Real Estate Group. Let's schedule your private tour today.